Kia hareru te whare e te iwi. Please put your hands together for our beautiful Hinekaporangi Rolleston. Haere mai. Te parikuro o Mauao.
Kangaro, kangaro, kaea, kaea. Te toka, atiri kawa. At times it is hidden, at times it rises again, but te toka atiri kawa remains. I stand at the top of my mountain Mauao, overlooking Tauranga Moana. I think about what stories lay beneath him. Stories of struggle, stories of survival, stories of hope. Stories carried through te tiriti o Waitangi. A treaty of hope, promise, tested by generations, yet never fully washed away, never fully fulfilled. Te tiriti o Waitangi was never intended to be a contested document or of grievance alone. Te tiriti was a covenant of hope and promise. A promise that different peoples could stand together in this land with dignity, responsibility, and shared futures. Because despite the waves of history, despite conflict, raupatu, silence, and fear, te tiriti still carries the possibility of hope. And my eyes are drawn to te toka a Tirikawa, a place of prominence to our mountain Mauao, standing there strong and unmoving as the waves crash against it again and again and again. Kangaro, kangaro, kaea, kaea. Te toka a Tirikawa. Look upon te toka a Tirikawa and conduct yourself as it does. The waves come, the waves go, yet the rock remains. Ahakoa uhi uhi te tai, ka whakaia no a te toka a Tirikawa. Firstly, this whakatauki is deeply embedded in my whakapapa, because I descend from both Kino Moerua and Apanui Ringamotu. My tipuna Apanui Ringamotu journey to Tauranga, seeking guidance and strength. Here, he met Kino Moerua. Kino Moerua did not teach him through speeches or commands. He taught him by observing the world around him. First, he showed him a kawo, a shag diving into the ocean again and again and again, missing fish repeatedly, yet never giving up. Persistence. Then Kino Moerua took Apanui Ringamotu to te toka a Tirikawa. Together they watched the waves crash against this rock, powerful, relentless, unforgiving. Yet the rock remained steadfast. Kino Moerua understood something important. Strength is not found in escaping the waves, but in learning how to endure them. Because strength is not the absence of struggle, and hope is not the absence of hardship. Hope is standing firm despite it. Kangaro, kangaro, kaea, kaea. Te toka a Tirikawa. Secondly, te tiriti, a treaty of hope. And perhaps that is the story of te tiriti o Waitangi too. Because te tiriti was born from hope. A hope that two peoples could stand together. A hope that rangatiratanga would endure. A hope that our reo, tikanga, identity would survive for generations to come. A hope that partnership would guide this nation forward. But since 1840, wave after wave has crashed against that promise. Waves of raupatu, waves of war, waves of injustice. Waves that try to wash away our reo, our whenua, our identity. And yet, te tiriti remains because hope remains. Kangaro, kangaro, kaea, kaea. Te toka a Tirikawa. Number 3, our stories still stand. But despite the waves, our people never stop standing. The Waitangi Tribunal gave our people a place to stand before the crown, kanohi, ki te kanohi, and say, this is what happened to us. This is how te tiriti was broken. I glance now across Tauranga Moana to Oikimoike. I see my koro, Peter Rolleston. I never got to meet him. He passed away before I was born. But I know him through the stories he carried. My koro stood before the Waitangi Tribunal like te toka a Tirikawa. Crown lawyers crashed against him with waves after waves of cross-examination. They lashed at his research. They lashed at our stories. Crown lawyers challenged him with wave after wave of cross-examination. Yet he stood firm, because our histories were not only written in books, but they are carried in our people. Strong, unmoving, unbreakable. Kangaro, kangaro, kaya, kaya. Te toka, atiri kawa. Number 4, the waves we face today. And the waves still come today. Waves that question whether te tiriti still matters. Waves that make people fear partnership instead of understanding it. Waves that tell Māori to stand quietly, to shrink ourselves, to forget who we are. But every generation before us has faced waves too, and still they stood. But like the tides against Tirikawa, those pressures never fully disappear. They keep coming again and again and again. So the question is not whether the waves will come. The question is, how will we stand when they arrive? Will we stand silent, or will we stand like te toka a Tirikawa? Steadfast in our reo, steadfast in our whakapapa, steadfast in our stories. Kangaro, kangaro, kaya, kaya. Te toka a Tirikawa. Number 5, what hope looks like. In November 2024, toi tū te tiriti. We marched the streets of our cities. We filled the grounds of Parliament. We sang songs of defiance, hope, and survival. Then in May 2025, I stood in Parliament with my iwi Ngāti Ranginui for the final readings of our Treaty Settlement Bill. And in that moment, I saw hope that te tiriti still lives. Because te tiriti is not simply a document. Te tiriti is a promise carried by generations who refuse to let hope disappear. And that hope now lives in us. Ki ingi tū heitia reminds us the best protest now is simply to be Māori. So stand in your reo, stand in your identity, stand in your mātauranga, stand in truth. Because every time we speak our reo, every time we stand proudly as Māori, every time we tell our stories, we uphold the promise of te tiriti. We become like te toka a Tirikawa. Kangaro, kangaro, kaya, kaya. Te toka a Tirikawa. Finally, I now return to Maua, my mountain who once stood without mana, who once believed he was not enough. Yet when the light of Tamanui Te Rā shone upon him, he rose, caught by the dawn, becoming the chiefly mountain of Tauranga Moana, ka mau I te ao. And that now is our responsibility, to stand firm through every wave so that our mokopuna inherits hope instead of fear. Because one day, they too will face crashing tides. And when they do, may they remember us. Standing firm, standing hopeful, standing proud, standing like te toka a Tirikawa. Because te tiriti was never meant to leave us in despair. It was meant to leave us with hope. Kangaro, kangaro, kaya, kaya. Te toka a Tirikawa. Tauana.